Hello and welcome to the best day of your life. It must be. So I wasn't actually planning on doing a video today. Today I've had my case arrive from what I believe is called Mous. I'd say Mous. I know Mouse has got an E on the end. Mous. I'm terrible at pronouncing things. There we go. So I purchased a new phone case of Mous. The current phone case I have, whether it is, see, I've just dropped it now. It's just sort of a rubber hard case, and it had like the ring on the back of it as well, so then I could stand it up to watch like Netflix or something like that. So you can sort of see the scratches on there. But to be fair, like on the corners here, it's sort of like reinforced. It's got like these, it's got a plastic feel to it, but the rest of it's rubber. So the way they marketed this product, they went out on days that Apple launched their new Apple products. So when they had the iPhone 11 launched, and they just put the new phone in the case and chucked it up high in the air. It just crashed the floor. It was fine. Here you go. So this is what it looks like. They have got, and I hope this is true, some sort of commitment against the use of plastic. There's no airtight packaging, no plastic lid. Good job on the packaging. I'm going to take the case out and then I'm going to read what these three cards say. Hello and welcome to the best day of your life. It must be. So they call this a premium clarity phone case, and this has got air shock technology. It has a scratch resistant coating. I know there's different products out there where they say, well, you know, we're going to get some keys and we're going to scratch on this. You know, if you spend the money, some don't actually scratch and it's impossible to scratch. The idea of it being a coating kind of tells me that what's going to happen after a year, who knows? So this is what I was talking about in terms of their marketing. They did a lot of drop tests from a very high height. They've even done an disclaimer basically saying to put the crane away. They don't want me to throw it. But surely that's a reason to purchase this phone case, because you can throw it at a great height. Probably not the best thing, especially for a fairly new. And it's always nice to know it's a crowd-funded business as well, so that's always a plus. I'm just going to take this out. I wanted to try and present the red a bit more. So you can see with this particular phone case, it's sort of had its time. I can already see fingerprints on the back of it. So most of you will know the tech reviewer Marques Brownlee. He made a really good point about how companies out there, to be able to make a really good product, they've got to sacrifice one thing to get the better of another. For instance, Apple could have the best camera on there, but they might have to sacrifice by having the screen a little bit smaller. So this is what it looks like. See, as you can see there, you've got some sort of turquoise material. It feels really light as well. So you can also tell by the case that it sort of has this raised edge here, and then it drops down and then it raises again. It's just to stop the screen from getting damaged, but I think they've sort of made the emphasis on this because it's slightly thicker either end. So here we go. We're just gonna put that inside. So that was surprisingly easy to snap in. I guess as well, it's nice to see the actual colour of my phone. I do like this slit black finish, and it is slightly thicker than the old case, but only slightly. It cost me £39.99. I guess spending that kind of money on a case like this and all the different elements it has with it, including that air shock technology, it sort of brings peace of mind. Yeah, it protects my phone in the long run. If you fancy a case like one of these, then why not go and check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, why not hit that like button? Why not check out some of my other videos? And if you like this content, then why not subscribe? See you in the next one.